Hi everyone, I've got a Mercedes GLS 63 AMG. Just did the tyres on this on the back here. Let me just show you how to reset the tyre pressure light on this. Now before you do all of that, this has got 22-inch wheels, so make sure you check the pressure. So you've got 22-inch tyres there, so with load, without load, you've got the pressure in bars and PSI for the back and front, and this is here as well. So to reset it, all you got to do, it's quite a simple procedure. Get in the car, you start the engine up. Once the engine is up and running, all you then do is, this is the buttons you got to press. So you press the right button first. Now you've got the trip, navi, audio, telephone, and then you go to service. Get to service, press down, go on to tire pressures, press OK, then press down again, press OK to confirm, and that's it. That's all you need to do on yours. Anything else you need to know, let us know, and if we could help you, we will help you. Thanks for watching our channel. Please do subscribe and like our videos. Goodbye.